Hello, assalamu alaikum, and welcome back to Elsutra's kitchen. My ladies, today's vlog is about a snow day adventure for the family. So join my family to see how we went out on the creek to see the dogs and the lake, and also family having a good time sliding on the snow day.
Oh my god, there's so much snow. Hey Rahima! It is so cold. Hi Rahima! Hi! Come say hi. Maybe it's the snow on the car. Hey! Yarallah. Guys, stop touching it. La 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 la. Kahan mo gis kang kari. Oh, jado. Who is ready? Where's Ramla? Ramla is ready. Is Rahima ready? I am ready too. Yeah? Are you wearing the same jacket?
As the adventure just began, we drove about maybe 5 minutes away from home to the hill where we're going to do the sliding. But eventually we're going to come back for the sliding. We're going to go see the ducks with the kids because they love watching the ducks, especially when they're swimming on the lake. Alright guys, see you there.
Ramla kwanza say belt pito. Oh my. Look at that, guys. This is so beautiful. That means no angel. Let's do a snow angel. How beautiful is a snow day. Look at that tree. No, color. It's a snow day.
Look at the dogs, Ramla. They cow bread. Same with bread. You see them in the water?
It is a bit of work for the kiddos, but they love it because this is just part of the adventure for them to have fun working in the snow. Especially our second baby. This year is going to be her second birthday. So last year she was still a baby while it was snowing. So this is actually her first experience of snow. So she is actually having so much fun around this season because she's always trying to catch the snow. She's trying to have fun with it, and she had actually tried to eat it several times, like eat it like an ice cream. So this is where we want to come. The lake is a bit of frozen, but it's still floating, and there are so many dogs around the area. So we just want to take the kiddos around to have some adventure, because during summertime we always come around here for them to watch the dogs, and we come with bread so they can throw some bread to the dogs. So here we are walking towards the lake, and part of this adventure is everybody is on its own, but my little baby is actually just kind of giving up on this journey because she is just sitting here. She fell down and she doesn't want to get up. She doesn't want to move on, so I had to carry her, I think, along with me. And those are the dogs there, looking so beautiful. Always ask myself question that this is such a blessed creation, because it is frozen, it's cold, but they're out here just enjoying and having fun. Well, God knows where He created and how they are surviving on this cold. Because I am one of the people that doesn't like cold much. I enjoy snow on its first day of falling, especially if it is not windy. I'll come out and play with the kids, have fun, but the rest of the days I'll be hiding indoors because I don't like cold. I was born in Africa, so it's not funny to be cold. So this first stage of the adventure is done. We're heading back to the car to take our sliding stuff so we can go and slide.
Oh, it's still falling.
So we headed to the hill, and here we are trying to get up there so we can slide down. It is such an adventurous thing, you know. You can see the hill, you will see like it's not kind of tall enough, but believe me, if you're up there and you saw yourself sliding down, you will understand what I'm talking about. It's a bit high, and especially when you're coming down the hill, you actually feel like you're going to be falling down sometimes.
Okay, goodbye.
But it is fun. The kids enjoy it so much.
Adriana, here, ready to go.
Jump in.
Ready to go down? Hima, Hima. Ah, Daddy. Yeah, next time, contact our meeting. Come on. Hey, join me. Okay. Ah, go to the top. Ramna, come back. No, back to you.
as we are about leaving, going back home, we actually noticed a snowman that was built already. We don't know who did, but he is wearing a mask. Can you see that? It's so cute and adorable. And me and the kids, we enjoy doing some snow butterflies, snow angel. So nice. So he doesn't know how to do it. Sliding was over, and we came around the neighborhood just watching some Christmas decorations all over, looking so cute and beautiful. The kids kept counting the lights and the balloons and the decors. So we are heading home.
She's having fun doing. Oh my! Oh my god! I'm gonna you want to crashing. I have a big one here. Gonna go back to the bush. Abby is throwing some snow. Ramla, no. Not nice. Abba, Ramla. That is not nice. Stop it. Wallah is a Rama. No. No. Ramla, stop it.
So thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you in our next adventure. Goodbye for now.